Hey, what's up guys? It's me again, your Asian farmer, and I hope when I'm going to upload this video, I am not too late to send my deeply and warm greetings to all of our friends out there, especially in the United States and for some other countries who are also celebrating their Thanksgiving. So, happy Thanksgiving, America, and I wish you all the best, and you know, more protection, more wealth, and yes, of course, God bless America. So I know American people are so great, and I wish I could send turkeys with you guys for those white Americans, but for those Spanish and American, I wish I could send you a tamale for you to as a present on your Thanksgiving celebration. But well, anyways, for today's video is I will going to the hardware. So we don't have Costco here, we don't have Walmart nearby, but we have a construction supplier, because for today's video is I will be going to purchase some materials needed for the house that I will be going to build. And one moment, I have to put my shirt on. And yes, so that's it. I will going to show you later the place where I'm going to purchase some materials needed, and I do really hope that slowly I will be complete all the materials needed for the tiny house. So I will going to bring you there. So this is Davao. There's no place like Davao, Philippines, of course. Because there's no place like Davao, because Davao life is here. So let's go. Go. Well, yeah, again I will bring you to the hardware where I am going to purchase some materials. And yes, I just want to reiterate or to say it back that I am deeply extend my greetings to all Americans, to all my American friends, and for those not American or not in the America, but they are also celebrating Thanksgiving as part of their, part of their practices and culture. So yeah, I wish you all the best, guys. So we're here at the construction suppliers. And they have a debt need to pay here. So are you just madam? Okay, this is a hollow blocks here, and if you look down there, it's a cliff. It's also a rubber farm and a cacao farm. Okay. Waka Corsan, 150 kabuok nga hollow blocks. Sige lang, okay. Tag 10 ang yung hollow block. And pulo ka simento. Kapila ka ditong wholesale.
240, 50 difference siya.
Dan wholesale na lang. Pero asa man may mas gwapo ana nga quality. Wholesale. Lagi.
Dili dali magutok ang inyong island. Okay na po ang dapat na magsusugot ang dapat sa sugot naman sa sing ko ra ako.
Mao lang. So pila na kana lang ako. Ay, oo lang. Pila naman at siya.
1 4 plus 5 3 1.
3-1.
Ay kada ba ako?
Murag
1 4 plus 1 5 plus 2 4. 5 3.
5-3. Sige. Tapos, kana siya, kana tanan. Tapos ang pili ko isa na pud ka round bar na plain kung same wala tong 12mm.
11mm round bar naman no.
Pero kanang usa kung kana mo pwede kung pwede ma-deliver dito, kana ra pud usa. Kay gamiton mo na sa kung papagod para sa sidecar.
Isa lang kabuok.
Oo.
1 length. Ato lang ning ipasingit lang ni namo kay mas pida.
Oo, sige lang, ay lang pud ikuan. Kay isa ra man.
Okay, round bar. Nakawala ko diyan ha. Ito ka ba? 12mm na imong round bar no?
Mm.
12mm.
Tapos i-add daw tong 305.
5-3 plus na ko sa round bar na 225 plus 305 balance 5-8-30. Okay na ni, lista na natin no?
Oo. Namoy diri mga kuan. Kana tong ginausap ang ginabungbong ng metal cladding.
Ilang na gito na natin.
Color roofing wala.
Tuloro na ay tuloro pero pag naatong katong asay na mag-asakan kan siya ang nagakuan na ni. Dili ko pa sa kuya.
246.
Ano yung pangalan ni sir?
Kini lang.
Okay. Jerry Mars and may sinasabi. Hindi naman tayo na nagbayad din. Hindi pa lang nagbayad.
Okay, kung ipa-deliver mo kuna ko ng balas niya by February pa man or January masugdag trabaho kay mga banlas niya ang hollow block mga gupok mo.
Oh, makuan siya, magabok.
Kaya nga akong panday wa pay ako kaya nagtrabaho po sa kumpanya.
Ano
5.
siya kanang anhion lang pag ipahatod no?
Oo.
Anhion lang.
Pag So the transaction is done. So I just deposited here, and any time or any moment that I want the items to be delivered, I will just let them know, and then I will take a ride on this